All right, we're gonna make a little room now on the same side. I'm gonna move these scallops over to the cooler side, and then we're going to take some ahi tuna here. We're gonna sear it. We're gonna sear it medium rare. Oh, those scallops are almost done. Give the grill a quick little clean. That should do it. I like to keep it simple. A little salt. Be good if they gave me a salt that actually worked. Little pepper. That was pretend salt. All right, we're gonna use a little smoked salt. Give it kind of a smoky, sweet flavor. I'm gonna sear that. What you wanna look for when you're cooking this, you're gonna see the bottom of the tuna start getting white. So when it gets about a quarter of a way up on it, that's when you wanna flip it over. Because what you want to be able to do is get it to a point where it's, you know, cooked on the outside, has a nice crust on the outside, but it's still rare on the inside and medium rare. That's the way I like it. So I'm looking at it now, and this is what I'm talking about right here. As it starts to turn white, it's cooking. The rest of it's rare. All right, just got the tuna off the flat top. I'm gonna come up with a quick little sauce using the 4-barrel barbecue. So what I'll do is use a little soy sauce, and then 4-barrel barbecue. Then I'll take a little bit of ginger and just kind of give it a little ginger zest. Mix that around and just drizzle that on top. Try this, it's gonna knock your socks off.